Okay, good morning, all the students. Listen now, and you are supposed to solve some more problems under Thevenin's and Norton's theorem. Some more problems, you are supposed to solve it. The first problem that I am giving. Okay, the first problem that I am giving, now only you are supposed to solve this. Find the current through find the current through 8 ohm resistor by using Thevenin's theorem. By using Thevenin's theorem. Find the current through 8 ohm resistor by using Thevenin's theorem. Okay, which is that 8 ohm resistor? You see that load resistance is 8 ohm. This is the question, problem. This is 8 volts. This is 4 ohm. This is 5 ohm. This is 6 ohm. This is 8 ohm. As usual, whatever we have solved the problem, previous cases, like that you are supposed to write the one more circuit diagram here. Answer circuit diagram you write. Mention R1, R2, RL, everything here. EMF also you mention. Calculate ETH, calculate IL, and further ideas you are supposed to do it. Okay. You have to do this. Do it. Answer I will write. Calculate the current through 8 ohm. Calculate the current through 8 ohm here. Calculate the current through 8 ohm means IL is equal to how many amperes? Do the calculation. Do it fast. Yes, I will write the answer. Check it up. 0.3116 ampere. This is the answer you are supposed to get. 0.3116 ampere. This is the right answer you are supposed to get. This is the right answer. Second question. If you didn't get the answer, you work it out again. Second problem, you write it and answer. Using Norton's theorem. Using Norton's theorem, calculate the current through 12 ohm resistor. 12 ohm resistor in the following network. In the following network. Write the network. Resistor number 1 and load resistance here, battery EMF. This is 36 volts. I am not solving these problems, you are supposed to solve. Already we have come across about so many number of problems I worked out. Now you are supposed to work out these problems. 4 ohm and this is 12 ohm. So answer I will write. IL is equal to so many ampere. Yes, solve this. solve this one. So answer for this problem is 1.33 ampere. 1.33 ampere. So you are supposed to get these are the answers. For the two problems, you are supposed to get these as answers. Okay, capital A for ampere. IL means current flows through the load. Current which flows through the load is represented by I suffix L. Using the Thevenin's theorem, you have to solve it. This is using the Norton's theorem, we are supposed to solve the second problem. Using the Norton's theorem. Just to go through these two problems, quickly you go through that, finish it off. So study well at home. Whatever the previous problems it has been solved, again you solve those problems. If you are not understood, again you see them, the videos you have to see them, understand it, how we are supposed to solve these problems under Thevenin's theorem and Norton's theorem. Okay, then only you can take individual problems, separate problems, you can take it and you can solve it individually. You can. Okay, just to go through all these concepts.